Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Kung saan ako maglalaro ng free random horror games. Like, lalaroin ko siya sa inyo. Hanap ako dun sa kung samang website kung pwede akong ma-download ng free random horror games. And yeah, lalaroin ko siya sa inyo ngayon. And as you can see guys, nakasalamin na ako kasi pag tumagal ako nakatutok sa screen ng computer o laptop ko, medyo naluluha ako. Kaya need ko ng anti-rad na glasses. So yeah. I hope mag-enjoy kayo sa panibagong video. I mean, hindi ko mapapangako na magiging magaganda to. Pero mapapangako ko na mag-enjoy tayo. So ano, panihintay natin. Laruin ko na siya. So it's the time. Play this game. So ang unang game na lalaroin natin is, yeah, Capybara. I don't know kung anong, like anong kwento. Hindi ko siya binasa guys. Hindi ko siya binasa, wala akong binasa. Like, nakita ko lang manok pero capybara. So, susubukan ko na siya. Let's go. This game has two endings. After finishing the first ending, click continue to get the second ending. If you choose new game, you will restart. Okay. After finishing the first ending, click continue to get. Okay. Ito, next. Day 1. Okay, parang Five Nights at Freddy. I need to feed my chicken. Take the chicken food from the barn. E to stand. Oh, E. You mean here? Here? Sa barn? Ito yung labasan? Ilang, natatakot ako agad. From the barn. Take the chicken food from the barn. From the barn. I think ito yung, I don't know. I don't think so if ito yung kalaban. Hello, Mr. Scarecrow. Please don't move. Pasensya na guys, may sipon din ako. And nakasalamin na ako. Sa mga hindi pa alam, nakasalamin na ako today kasi once na tumagal ako sa screen ng computer or laptop ko, sobrang sakit sa mata. Naluluha ako. Hindi masakit sa mata pero naluluha ako. Another Scarecrow. You mean this? Take the chicken food from the barn. Wala namang laman eh. What chicken food? Oh, ito pala. Okay, my bad. Okay. Ang tawag dun? Yung parang nakikita nyo sa palengke, sa mga grocery. Parang yung maisha na beads. Hindi ko lang alam. If alam nyo yun. Feed the chickens. You mean this chicken? Ayun, daya naman. Ito, dalawa to. Mas laki ng kanila. O parang may, kung alam niyo yung tinapay na parang dilaw siya tapos pabilog. Parang ganito siya guys, oh. Yung matamis na kanin na gawa daw ng Indiano. I don't know. Ito, kawawa naman siya. Bro, kahit sa mga animals, hindi talaga maiwasan yung unfair things. I mean yung, gender durability. Put the bucket in the barn. Put the bucket in the barn. Okay, lagay natin. I think I need to rest in the cabin now. You mean here? You mean here? Ain't no way, bro. A capybara? What is that? Bro, obviously, that's capybara. Is that a capybara? Bro, kung nakikita nyo yung ID ko, yung keychain ng ID ko, look. Kung nakikita nyo. Tignan nyo. Tignan yung keychain. Yan yung keychain ng ID ko. Bro, ang cute! Gusto ko mag-alaga ng ganito. Is that a capybara? Of course. Bro, ang cute! Bro, ang cute, Dayek. You look hungry. Sorry, capybara. I don't have any food for you. You mean, that beads? Di ba pa siya pwede pakainin ng manok? Na buhay ng manok or yung beads na yun? Rest in the cabin. Bro, wala ka bang awa? Alam kong kinakain yan, damo eh. If tama. Alam ko damo ito. Ay, sapat na yan ah. Ang dami. Mas mag-isa lang siya. Bro, ang creepy. Nakatayo lang siya dun. Gusto niya ata ng beads. Ano, makisalo ka dun sa malaking tipak ng beads na kinakain nila. Okay, rest. Sorry pala kasi nakamute yung volume kanina. Pasensya na guys. What is that noise tonight? Check the window. Oh man, you mean here? Wala na, kinatay ng manok mo. May pagsuntukan sa kapibara. Nakatayo lang yung mga manok. Check the window, you mean here? Hello? Oh, ano meron? Nag-iingay lang yung mga manok ko, hindi ako makagalaw. Bro, kapibarang pula ang mata. Bro, hindi natin siya Hindi ata ordinaryong damo. Yung napakain natin sa kanya. Hindi ordinaryong damo. Bro, pumupula yung mata. What is that? A capybara, of course. Na nakatayo. That's so creepy. Then, anong gagawin? Tatayo ka lang, papanoorin siya. Please. Please. Mira. As usual, I need to feed my chicken. Birang jumpscare yan. Sabi ko sa'yo inulam na ng kapibara yung manok mo, bro. Nagalaw ba yung manok ko? Nagalaw nga. Gagi naman. I need to go check now. Bro, isa na lang. Check the chickens. Who did all this? Who did all this? Could it be this capybara that ate my chickens? Bro, herbivores yan eh. Herbivore, tama ba? Yung mga damo, herbivore yan. Herbivores. Whatever. Take the chicken food in the barn. I think nakasuot siya ng ganun. Yung capybara kagabi na nakita natin. So, dalawa na lang sila. Sila ba yung magkahati? Sila ba yung magkahati ng manok? Oh, di ba ang unfair pa rin, no? Bro, wala na kumakain dun, no? Lagay mo na yan dyan sa'yo. Tapos pagsama nyo na dito. Put the packet in the barn. More horror game, ha? I think I need to rest in the cabin. Imposibleng walang jumpscare sa likod natin, guys. Ah, wala nga. Okay, wala. I think. What the heck? Ano yun? Sinupalpal tayo ng kapibara sa mukha. O, naging kapibara na ako. Where am I? Sana ba akong manok? Pakpakpatak! Pakpakpatak! Okay, manok na nga ako, I think. What? Oh, mom. Ano ba yan? Gagi. Pakpakpatak! Bro, kapibara nakatayo. Hey. Hey. Bro, look at his ass. Why am I so small? Why there are so many tables here? Kasibara. We're planning something. Now go sit at the table first. Oh, ulamin tayo. Ah, isa... What? Isasabong ba tayo? What are you trying to do? Ho, 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 ho. Weird nakatayo. Yeah, literally weird. Ang dami rin nila na nakatayo. We're actually planning our revenge. Revenge for what? Revenge? Yeah. Because you didn't give us food. Bro. Kapibarang nakakatayo na pagsalita. The heck? Nagre-revenge ka kasi di kita napakain. Namubula nga yung mata mo kagabi. Kumain ka ng hindi ordinaryong damo. Hindi pa ba sapat yun? Now, you will become our food. What is all this nonsense? What the Say by you. Ano nga yan? Shut your ass up. Say by you. Sibaw. Yes, Sibaw. But before that, bro, grabe yung game ngayon 2026. Sabaw. May Saybayo na. Sabaw. Sibaw. But before that, you may ask for your last meal. Wow. You're so kind. Wow. Then give me 2 buckets of fried chicken, okay? Of course not. What? Enough talking. You will be executed now. Prepare yourself. Okay, I think may jump scare. Oh, wala. What does it mean? Tatakbo ako?
God, you got me jumping like.
Thank you for... This game was made in just 5 days. Bro, 2026 game is the best, I guess. Guys, the best. Wait. May kasunod pa. What happens if you give the capybara food? Oh, if you want to find out, press continue next. Okay, I'll press the continue. Ang kulit eh. What the heck, bro? Bro! They're doing some high kicks. Nag-high kicks sila, guys. Uy! W capybara. W chat, W capybara. What a strange dream last night. Oh, panaginip lang yun. O yung nakasilip. This time, if I meet a capybara, I had to feed it. Oh, panaginip nga lang yun. Okay, take the chicken from the barn. Please, no jump scare. Please, no jump scare. Enough for jump scare, please. I guess mabuting tao na tayo this time. Nabibigyan natin ng pagkain yung capybara. Tapos paglingon natin nandun ulit yung Okay. Paglingon natin, nandun ulit yung capybara. Please. Okay. Dito tayo, tapos kuha tayo sa bucket. Makikita naman natin dun yung capybara. Magre-respawn ata. Ay, wala. Pagtalikod natin yan. Nakatalikod na tayo and lang. Gusto ko siya makita kung paano mag-spawn. So, babalik ko dito. I think I need to rest in the cabin. Okay, re-respawn yun doon. Oh, diba? Tapos papakainin natin siya ng weeds. Yeah, that's it. This is the capybara from last night's dream. Oh, panaginip lang pala yun. I need to feed it. Okay. Feed the capybara. What kind of food? You mean this? Oh, man, di tayo tumalikod eh. Please. Okay. I think pwede rin siya sa beads. Kasi, pwede yan kumakain niya ng damo eh. Ano, you're hungry, capybara. Oh, bro, ang sweet. Ang sweet. Gusto ko mag-alaga ng capybara. For real, bro. Please take this food. But please return the bucket to my barn tonight. Goodbye, capybara. Eat well. Enjoy well, capybara. Ang cute, nakatayo pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. I hope wala nang jump scare. Pero ang ganda nitong game. I swear, I'm not gonna lie guys. Wait lang. I swear, ang ganda so much. Like, Sabayu, Sayabaw. Tapos, boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka. 2016. Who's knocking on the door this late at night? Nah, bro. Who are you? My name is Kasibara. Yeah, I know you. Kasibara. You mean capybara? No, my name is Kasibara. What does Kasip mean? Just forget that name. I already returned the back. Oh, siya pala yun. Siya pala yung nag-transform siya. So, I think ano siya parang may pagka... Anong tawag doon? Yung nag-shape-shift. Ewan ko, taong kapibara. I already returned the back. Okay. Thank you for giving me the food. You're welcome, Kasipbara. By the way, let's sit outside for a while. Alright. Bro, hanging out with him. Oh, hello, Bro, yung upo niya. Like, ang lalim ng gabi. Like, ang lalim ng usap. Tat. Why did you look sad? Oh, I'm not sad. I just didn't expect someone as kind as you. Oh. Kahit ako kung makita kita, kahit anong mapulot kong pagkain, sad boy na werewolf. Oh man, yung sad boy na werewolf guys, if alam niyo yung nakaganon sa puno. Parang ganun siya, parang ganun. I just didn't expect someone as kind as you. Well, I'm a kind person. Like, pag nakakita ko ng kapibara o kahit ano hype guys, papakainin ko agad. Kunwari, yan, kapibara. Tanga kasi siya nung una itong karakter natin kaya iniwan niya. Tanga kasi siya. Hindi niya pinakain ng damot. Nagiganti tuloy. I don't know how to repay your kindness. Well, give me more kapibaras. Give me more kapibaras. Wait. Who's that? What the? 6'7". 6'7". I don't know him. Let him be. My family is running out of food. I haven't eaten in a long time. So since you've helped me, I'll help you raise the chickens. This is my way of repaying your kindness. Oh, thank you so much, Kasibara. Oh, ito yung mga manok ko. So 6'7". 6'7". From that day on, Kasibara and his family helped the chicken farmer take care of the chickens. Then napakain ba? Lumulutang mo, ano to si Bunny? Yung gumaganon guys, nakikita nyo ito. Para si Bunny. Yung gumaganon. Bro, ang ganda ng game. I swear. 10 out of 10. So, ang next game is a home. Vacation home. Okay, go to sleep. You mean here? Oh, bathroom. Na walang shower. Tas kwarto na pang baliw, pang mental. I don't know. You mean here? Uy! Putak te. Kinakabahan ako ah. Huh? What was that sound? Wala nga akong narinig. Investigate the sound. No, hell na bro. That isn't my car. Who? Incoming call unknown. Click it to answer. Hello? Hey. Are you inside of the house? Yes, of course. I'm in. Who is this? Pula. Ibig sabihin kalaba to. I'm the guy who rented you this place. Are you in or not? I am, but someone's car is in front of the house. Hangs up. I need to get out of this place. What do you mean? Get the keys? Where are the keys? I forgot to lock the garage door. Someone is in the house. No, no please. Please, tulungan niyo ako guys. I can hear him upstairs. Get the backup key, stay down. Investigate. Saan yung backup key? Uy! Uy! What the heck? Thank you for playing. So next na game is homework. Please, hindi ko na kaya yung game. Hindi ko na kaya yung horror game, pambira. Ilang araw ko din na pag horror game, guys. I'm finally in school. First grade isn't too hard and I already made some new friends. I like it there. Kaya mo yan? Hindi ko kaya, miss. The only thing I don't really like is homework. Same, buddy. Same. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Halos lahat, pati viewers ko, I think. Mom doesn't take me to school. She always busy, but that's okay. I'm old enough anyway. After all, I'm already 7. Okay. Today, I came home early, just like Mom taught me. Just like you taught me. Ma, tumawid ako mag-isa just like you taught me. I have to go to the bathroom, wash my hands, and unpack my things. I've already learned to do everything by myself. What the? You need to use the bathroom, wash your hands, and put away your backpack. Is this Mom's shoes? Matalit lang natin. Is this our room? This doll has been with me for as long as I can remember. Honestly, it's always scared me a little. Oh, I love this listening to song on the radio. Sometimes it always plays music by Rookie Bird. I like to sing along. Telephone. This is Mom's phone. She's always talking on it and never lets me touch it. She's afraid I'll break it. Okay. But she still leaves it in my room anyways. But ang creepy naman. Washing. Oh, gumagalaw yung washing. Tao ba dyan? Ay, wala. Okay, use. No. No, hell no. Guys, ayoko ng ganito. Ayun. All goods. Wash my hands. Okay, di maayos yung buhok ko. Medyo natatakot kasi ako eh. Yeah, I think after, di ba, matutulog na tayo. Ay, hindi. Ba't nakabukas yung bintana? I'm gonna go here, I think. Sweetie, is that you? I'm busy right now. Let's talk later. Mom's in the kitchen. I should bother her. I mean, watch? Okay. Watch the TV from right here. Okay guys, medyo kinakabahan ako. It's 7 p.m. No. 6:52, I guess. I think may pumasok dun sa bintana natin. I don't know. I put my school things on the desk ahead of time. The TV fell asleep again. Also, parang sira na. Oh, nanay natin. Tatatat. Hi, son. How was your day? Hi, mom. It was fine. No, mom. Did you do your homework? Yes, I did. I can see you've been glued to the TV. Oh, so isa tayong batang pasaway. Since you've got home, do you only give me math problems today? Math problems. It's just a few examples. Same, math problems is the worst. Enough of that. Just a few. Turn off the TV. Let's do it. Then you're free. And I'll be able to relax. Okay, mom? Mom, can I watch just a little longer? Bata tayong pasaway na hindi ginagawa yung homework. I wanted to finish. No pugudi. But the signal keeps cutting out. Please? That's enough. You can finish it later. Turn off the TV. Okay. Umbira. What? Well, show me what problems you have. Bro, ang creepy ni nanay. Here. What the? Bro, I hate math. So, 3 plus 5 is 8. Then, you see? When I try it, all works out. Now, the next one. Okay. Gawin natin 6. Pag namali ba tayo, papagalitan tayo, I think 5. Well, look at that. Why didn't you just sit down and do it right away? You'd be done by now. Keep going. 1. Tama ba? That's right. Good job, sweetie. Mom, I solved them all. Clever boy. My boy is growing up so smart. Look at that. He's even nodding. Nod. Well then, I made some delicious pelmeni. I love pelmeni. Oh, good ending. I don't know the second ending. What if maliin natin? 3 plus 5, 2. What? What did you write? 2, 6, 7. Read the problem out loud. 3 plus 5. And what does that equal? 6, 7. It equals 8. It equals 8. Well, what did you write? Ay. Tatat. Yari ka. Todas. Kuha ng sinturon. Pamalo sa puwet. Dapa. I didn't mean to. I made a mistake. I can see you made a mistake. All you've learned to do is stare at the cartoons. Keep solving. Oh man, ano to? Balis basic? 7. Tat. Wrong. Again. Bumudawin na siya. You know, sometimes I look at other kids. It's like they're from another planet. Smart. Pretty. Then, kukumpara mo ako sa pinsan ko, sa ibang bata. Sige, sila na anak mo. And then, there's what I got. And now, I have to look at this ugly mug that can't even add 2 numbers. It's unbearable. Mamay, shut up. Hindi mo sinabi yung saybayaw. Ay, sabaw? Don't say a word. Just sit there and keep writing. Amen. Okay. 99999. Son. Why are you such a retard? Oh. Mom, why did you hit me? Sabaw. What are you staring at? Yung manika. Yung manika. Gumagalaw yung ulong. Mikot-ikot. No, the next one. Amen. 6-7. Ay, hindi. 6-7 ulit. You know what? I'm sick of this. Amen. Papalamon sa atin? Ay, hindi. You're going to rewrite it all. Bro, cute. Stop your whining. Bro, yung dal. Nakatingin sa atin yung dal. I'm so sick. Bro, binalibag niya ba tayo? Bro, ang lala. What are you laying? Get up, stop fooling around. Gagi, kawawa. Kaya nga nakakawa. You have school tomorrow. Bro, what? Is this a second ending? I think. Are you alive? Wala na ma, patay na ako, aray. Come on to. Pathetic. Ma, di ka ba naawa sa akin, ma? Hinagis mo na ako, nabagok na ako, pinagsasampal pa ako. Hello? Yes? Listen, I've had an accident here. My 7-year-old boy hit his head hard on the cupboard. Must been fooling around while I was in the kitchen and oh, yes. Come to the address street. Oh man. Na-frame up pa nga like iba pa nga yung kwento. Naiba pa nga yung kwento, nauntog pang araw. They're almost here. Don't you dare tell them what really happened. Bro. Oh, wala, napatay na. Okay, bad ending. Okay, yung good ending yung isa, natapos natin yung math, yung homework, and yung second ending is bad, which is pinatay tayo ng nanay natin. Binalibag tayo, sabay sinakal, binalibag, sampal-sampal. Like, labagok na nga ulo mo, tapos sampal ka pa. Kawawa, kaka 6-7 niya. Kawawa talaga, kasi 6-7. Well, nakakawa yung bata. Sa totoo lang. Nakakawa siya for real. Yung sa bad ending. Pero sa first ending, okay naman. Ay, okay naman siya. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibawang video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Kung gusto nyo pang ganitong series, ay mag-comment below. And maraming salamat sa panonood. And kita tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Supportan nyo. Bye-bye!